What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC, currently sitting at 33.9. We're down 0.78 on the day. See market cap 663 billion. 24 volume 16.52 billion. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you're getting value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So I am expecting a wave 4 pullback. Of course, anything can happen. We do have a bull pennant. We do have signals of pullback. As you can see, a little bit of a higher high, lower high on the RSI and the money flow. So if we do pull back, we're looking for a bounce in between 30.8 and 33.1. Daily chart, we're pushing into major resistance. As you can see, this was massive support at about 34K, 33K. And we've really broken away from the daily EMA, so it would make sense to see a little bit of pullback. Super overbought on the daily. As you can see, the last time we were this overbought, we pushed a little bit higher and then we saw a larger pullback. So we could definitely see a similar scenario where we pull back a little bit, we push up, we complete that wave 5, which we complete a wave 3. So here's our wave count. I'm just going to use my brush. Look at the white wave count right here. Wave 1 to the upside, that's a wave 2 pullback. Now we're pushing up in the 5-wave move to complete the 3. We'll pull back in a wave 4 and then push up in a wave 5. That's what I'm looking at for the price of BTC. In the short term, I do think it's likely we see a bounce from our wave 4 pullback zone. Watch for this wedge to break. Once this wedge starts to break, that will give you more confirmation. If we start to break to the downside, that will give you more confirmation of coming down in our wave 4 pullback zone. If we break the 50%, obviously we can see a deeper pullback. But as of right now, that's what I'm expecting. Push up in a wave 5, complete the 3, pull back in a 4, push up in a 5, and then we'll see a much, much larger pullback. But until then, we have pushed up into major resistance, so even a little bit of consolidation, pulling back a little bit would be healthy for the chart. Another reason I think that's likely is the DXY. We bear trap to the downside, so I do think it's likely the DXY continues to push up. And if we break that bullish level, then we can continue to push up to the golden ratio. I'll zoom out so you can see it better here. As you can see, I've pulled the fib from this high here at 114 all the way down to the low. So we had a 5-wave move down in a wave A, which is right here in red, and a wave B is a 3-wave move. So right now we're putting in the 5 waves to complete the A, and then we'll pull back in a wave B. So basically we push up, we allow Bitcoin to pull back, then we see that larger pullback for the DXY in a wave B, and Bitcoin will continue to break out, and then you push up in the wave C to complete that larger wave B before seeing a massive drop for the DXY, which will lead to an absolutely massive bull market for Bitcoin. That's what I think is likely. And in the short term, I do think we're going to continue to push up here for the DXY in a wave 5, which will lead to Bitcoin pulling back. Of course, anything can happen. If we break out to the upside of this bull pennant, then we can see a straight breakout, as we have met the minimum target for the wave 4 and we push right up in the wave 5. But as of right now, I think it's a little more probable that we pull back a little more in a 4, push up in a 5. To complete the wave 3 before seeing that larger wave pullback in the wave 4. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at. We're in 3 trades: Solana, Gala, Ethereum. They're all in juicy profits. My signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into the futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. If you deposit $100, that's $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signal is $10 a month. You get daily crypto analysis for many pairs. My exact trade setups. Currently, we're in profits on Solana, Gala, Ethereum, and we'll be looking to get into more trades on the pullback. Crypto news. Members are killing it with their own trades. As you can see here, they're absolutely crushing it. And Forex signals and analysis, my HODL all plays. We're looking to get into silver and gold. Currently in US oil, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.